Did you know you could make $100 to $200 every single day using just Google Maps? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's possible, and in this video, I am going to show you how you can start earning money with Google Maps in 2025. Stick around because this is going to change the way you think about making money online. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to make money online, you're in the right place. Today, I am going to share one of the best kept secrets of making money online, using Google Maps. Yes, you heard that right, Google Maps. It might sound crazy, but in 2025, you can leverage Google Maps to earn anywhere from $100 to $200 a day, and it's easier than you think. Stick with me as I take you through the exact steps, and you'll be surprised how simple this can be. 1. What is Google Maps monetization? Before we get into the nitty-gritty of making money, let's first talk about Google Maps monetization. Simply put, it means using Google Maps and its features to earn money, but how exactly? Well, there are several ways you can do this, and I'll break down the best strategies for 2025. The best part, you don't need to be an expert or tech-savvy to get started. Part 2. Strategy 1. Google My Business GMB listings and local SEO. One of the best ways to make money using Google Maps is through Google My Business. This is especially great if you're living in a local area or have access to a business that needs some attention. Here's how you can get started. Find businesses that aren't ranking well on Google Maps. You can do this by searching for different business categories like restaurants, plumbers, or personal trainers in your area. If you see businesses with low reviews or poor visibility, you know they could use some help. Offer to optimize their Google My Business profile. Local businesses often neglect their GMB listings. You can help them by getting reviews, updating their business information, and making sure they appear in Google Maps when people search for relevant services. Charge a service fee for your work, depending on the business size. You can charge anywhere between $100 to $300 for this optimization service. By improving their visibility on Google Maps, you'll help them get more customers, and you'll earn a nice fee for your efforts. Part 3. Strategy 2. Become a Google Maps tour guide. This next strategy is all about virtual tour. With Google Maps Street View and their new 360-degree photo feature, you can take people on a virtual tour of famous landmarks, businesses, and even neighborhoods. Here's how you can monetize this. Sign up as a Google Trusted Photographer. Google has a program where you can become an accredited photographer to take high-quality 360-degree images for businesses and tourist spots. Charge businesses for virtual tour. Many businesses are looking to attract tourists or new customers with stunning virtual tour by getting certified. For strategy 3, location-based affiliate marketing. Another way you can use Google Maps to make money is through location-based affiliate marketing. Here's how. Search for local businesses that are listed on Google Maps. Create content around these businesses on social media, your website, or YouTube. You can use affiliate links for local products or services, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Use Google Maps to create a map or blog post that highlights these businesses and the products they offer. This strategy allows you to make money with local businesses and promote products or services you're passionate about. Part 5. Strategy 4. Google Maps reviews and content creation. Now, let's talk about the power of Google Maps reviews. If you're a content creator or love visiting new places, you can turn your reviews into a source of income. Here's how to do it. Write reviews for local businesses on Google Maps. If you're genuinely enjoying a business, leave a detailed review with photos. Use your social media platforms to promote those businesses or share your experience. Businesses love to work with influencers and content creators who can bring them visibility. Get paid for sponsored reviews or partnerships. Local businesses will often pay you to leave positive reviews or create content around their business if you have a good following on your social channels. Are you a web developer or designer looking to make a steady income by selling websites to local businesses? Well, today is your lucky day. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to find clients, pitch your services, and close deals like a pro. Stick around because these simple yet powerful strategies will change the way you approach selling websites. Hi there! If you're a web developer, designer, or anyone interested in starting a profitable business by selling websites to local businesses, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into some simple, actionable steps to help you not just find clients, but also get them to say yes when you pitch them your amazing website designs. So let's get started. First off, before you even think about selling a website, you need to know who your target audience is and why they need a website in the first place. 1. Understand the importance of a website for local businesses. Most local businesses, especially small ones, don't realize how much they're missing out on by not having a professional online presence. Their potential customers are online, searching for their services, and if the business isn't visible on the web, they're losing out. A local business website. Take a look at this example. Notice how clean, professional, and easy to navigate it is. This is the type of website that local businesses need to stand out, and guess what? You can provide that. 2. Finding local businesses that need websites. Start by looking for local businesses that either don't have a website or have a poorly designed one. Here's where to look. Google search for local businesses in your area and check if they have a website. Local directories. Browse through local online directories like Yelp or Yellow Pages. Social media. Check out local businesses' social media profiles. If they have zero web presence, you've got a golden opportunity. Cut to presenter giving tips. Once you've found a business that needs a website, it's time to approach them. But not just in any way. 3. Crafting the perfect pitch. When pitching your web design services, make sure your approach is respectful, clear, and valuable. Here's a simple pitch formula. Start with a compliment. I love the work you're doing with your local bakery. Identify the problem. However, I noticed that you don't have a website. Most customers these days are looking for businesses online, and I'm sure a website could help grow your business. Provide a solution. I can create a beautiful, user-friendly website that will help you connect with more customers and increase sales. Call to action. Let's schedule a call so we can discuss how I can help you. Cut to presenter showing example email. Here's how a message could look when you're sending an email or reaching out online. Keep it short, sweet, and focused on how you can help them. 4. Creating the proposal and pricing. Once they show interest, the next step is to present a clear proposal. Here's what you should include. Timeline. When will the project be completed? Cost. Be transparent about your pricing. A simple starter package for a local business could range anywhere from $500 to $3,000, depending on complexity. What's included? List what the package includes like homepage design, contact forms, mobile optimization, etc. Next steps. Let them know how to proceed if they're interested. Cut to presenter. Don't forget, pricing should reflect the value you provide. Don't undervalue your services. A good website is a business asset, and you should charge accordingly. 5. Closing the deal and delivering results. Once they agree to your proposal, it's time to deliver. Here's how to make sure the project goes smoothly. Stay in constant communication. Regular updates build trust. Get feedback early. Don't wait until the end to show them your work. Show progress as you go along. Deliver quality work on time. Ensure the website is functional, user-friendly, and meets their needs. Once the site is live, ask for a testimonial. This can help you land future clients and build your portfolio. And that's it. Following these steps will help you not only sell websites to local businesses, but also build long-term relationships that lead to even more opportunities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.